Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss the categories of computer networks or the types of computer networks. The computer networks are categorized by the geographic area they cover. It means once the computer network has been created, how much area does that network cover? On the basis of that area, we divide the computer network into different categories, and those categories are local area network, wide area network, metropolitan area network, and personal area network. And remember, there are even more types of computer networks which I'll not be discussing in this video. The first and the most important computer type of computer network is local area network. And this computer network, so any computer network which is created in a small or geographically restricted area is known as local area network. So for illustration, you can see a computer network is shown here that has been established within a local area. Local area means the area having a radius of less than 1 kilometer. So this is important. So this is in most of the cases, this is less than 1 kilometer. And local area network can be established within a single building, like here, or the LAN or the local area network can also be established between adjacent buildings, like shown here. So these two buildings are adjacent to each other, and the local area network can be established between these two buildings. But the condition is that this network should have a radius of less than 1 kilometer. They should not be far away from each other. The radius should be less than 1 kilometer. And the second important type of computer network is wide area network. A wide area network actually spans a large geographical area, often a country or continent. It means one computer or the one network can be within one continent, and the second computer or the network can be in other country and in other continents. So this is the definition of wide area network, as the name suggests. And to establish the wide area network, actually WAN or the wide area network uses the services from telephone networks or cable networks or even the satellite systems. Because these two networks are far away from each other, they hire the services from other technologies to connect those two networks or to connect those multiple networks which are far beyond. And specifically, WAN has a radius of more than 100 kilometers. So this is a typical number that WAN, in normal cases, has a radius of more than 100 kilometers. And then is metropolitan area network. A metropolitan area network actually spans a geographical area that is larger than a LAN but smaller than a WAN. So it means this is a type of computer network which has a radius in between LAN and WAN. And metropolitan area covers several buildings. It means metropolitan area can be established between several buildings or even the entire city. This is the reason, as you can see from the word metropolitan, that this type of network can cover the entire city. And typical MAN has a radius of greater than 1 kilometer but less than 100 kilometers. It means, look at the important point, local area network covers radius less than 1 kilometer and wide area network covers area greater than 100 kilometers. And the radius covered within 1 kilometer and 100 kilometer of a network is known as metropolitan area network. So we can divide like this. If you draw a line here, 1 kilometer local area network, and on this side, this is wide area network, and in between this is the MEN or metropolitan area network. And the last category which I'm going to discuss here is the personal area network. So personal area network, sorry for this P mistake here. This is personal area network. This P should be here. So a PAN, our personal area network, covers a geographical area that is in the vicinity of a person. It means the nearby nodes to a person, they establish a network, and that network is known as personal area network. And in that personal area network, there can be laptop, smartphones, tablets, personal digital assistants, and sometimes printers as well. And typical personal area network has a radius of less than 10 meters. So personal area network is a network within 10 meters of range. And the connection between the nodes in personal area networks can be wired as well as wireless. It means we have wired personal area network, and we also have wireless personal area network. And IEEE 802.15 standard deals with wireless personal area network technology. So there's a standard which deals with these wireless PAN. And these technologies include Bluetooth, Zigbee, and body area network. So, and body area network is also a network that is in, on, or around a human body. But this is not actually restricted to the human body only, but this standard also covers the body area network. So this was the last type of computer network which I want to discuss in this video, but there are more categories of computer networks in the literature. Those are regional area network, storage area network, and the campus area network. That is CAN. Sorry for again, this is CAN. This is CAN, campus area network. And thank you very much for today's video. I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you.